this is our target street right here, this little stretch. So this street begins right there. So and then this is actually another street behind it. So behind it has the same look, but has a different name. So so this is the one that I'm not going to film, but it's also kind of interesting as well. Of course, the lights are just coming on a little bit, so you can see the buses are a little illuminated, and some of the businesses are. I guess you can see them more over here. So some of the businesses are being coming up, and some of the street food as well. So we'll see all of that, and this will be our target street. It goes down. We'll bring it all the way to the end. So stay tuned for that. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Beautiful. I love how this is so skinny. It kind of has like a little V, and then it spreads out both ways a little bit. But it ends right here, this little V formation. So when they engineered that, it's kind of interesting. But we're going to be walking down by that in a second. So let's go down. We'll be using the elevator. Okay, so let's go down. Okay, so this is actually this October the 5th Street down that way. And you can also see these food courts. Let me just take a look at that food court real quick and see what they're making. You can actually see that one too. So there's that one. There's another one down this way. So we'll also just take a look at that one. So the other one looks like it's a little bit more popular, but they'll probably both be filled later. And that goes all the way down. So you have all the tables as well. Okay, so let's take a look down that way. That's where we just started, so we were up at the top there. And now we're going to go down our target street. So yeah, that's actually quite photogenic. Like, this would be a great photo right here. Okay. So we are going to take a look at that street right here. So this one is the October the 5th Street all the way down, and then our target street is actually going to be the other one. It's really cool. So now you can see both of them. And then this one is going to be our target street, so I'm going to put this on our phone. It's called Rua do Visconde, Paço de Arcos. And we're gonna walk down it. So this has some arcade as well. There's another area that has a lot more arcades. This has a little bit of arcade right here, but the cement looks kind of boring in here. Some of them have like a black and white underneath the arcade. I'll tell you what that means in a moment. But the arcades would be like these little things up above. So those things down below it would be called the arcade. So you can see the arcaded streets over there, right? But up near San Mala, which is pretty close to here, all of that would be under black and white. This sidewalk looks a little bit weak. It's not as good as that one on that side. But anyways, this is what we're dealing with. This is what the street looks like. Just to give you some context of different stuff. That one kind of goes north, so there's an ocean right on the other side of all these buildings. Those beautiful balconies right there. This has nice balconies, and then these ones do not. Those are all like cages that are extending outward. Okay, so let me just see what else we got in here. This is a little, be careful, that scooter came out of there. So these are these little alleys. Another scooter's coming through kind of quick. So yeah, you have to be a little bit careful when you come by that. Okay. I could actually walk down this way. I think I'm going to continue. Okay, so let's move in like this. And then directly over that way is the waterfront, so you can kind of see it now. You can see ocean access, and Wanzai coastline is directly over that way. And then that right there is the parking garage, that whole structure right there. And this is all part of our street, including the cardboard. Okay, so let's keep on going down. It's kind of interesting, this black and white right here. Yeah, this is kind of interesting too, right? So check out this building. So yeah, see how skinny it is right there? So that little skinny part right there is holding it all up. So yeah, it basically looks like that. Let me kind of do a little bit of a 360 right in here. So this street goes down. This is Guimaraes. So Guimaraes goes down. That looks super cool right there. That little gate right there used to be, because that used to be a marketplace at one time. So that was probably would kind of help people out at the ocean. So that is October the 5th Street. This is our Target Street right here. And you can see some of these big balcony windows too. So this is kind of amazing. So all of these have these beautiful windows. I think they're making this into a hotel. So I think this is going to be a hotel, because I can see it says Agora Hotel. It looks like they're remaking it, and I haven't seen this before. So this is actually a new hotel. That looks pretty cool right there too. So yeah, you got this beautiful windows right there. Let me try to capture that from a different angle. We're going to walk down this angle. That's the Guimaraes Street right there. So Guimaraes goes all the way down. October the 5th Street goes all the way down. Travessa das Galinhos is like the lane of the little chickens, I think. Galinha's chicken, I think. So this was a little marketplace right in there. Okay, let me walk a little bit like this. Actually over here too, it says Pont Io Talk, number 23, 1948. So they built this, they civil engineered that whole coastline to make that more fortified coast for import-export, and all the ponts are the piers where everything comes in. Okay, so let's keep on walking down. So yeah, that street that's parallel to us, on the other side of this one, it's called Demetria Sinachi. So that's named after, I guess if that was 1940s, that might have been built in 1940s. But they kept reclaiming the land in this area, kept building the inner harbor stronger, so they would extend it. And then the latest incarnation, maybe it was the 40s, if that pier was the 40s. Maybe that pier, maybe that building was not, because some of these other ones are like earlier, 1920s, 1903, it's not too far. There's different stuff, but I'm not sure which ones are which sometimes. So yeah, St. Anthony's, I think that was the very first church. It's up on the top of the hill, and then there's churches that kind of line all the way down. There's like Sao Domingo, Sao Paulo, all kinds of interesting stuff. So let me just kind of give you some more context. So that's Guimaraes, that's 5th Street, and then there's all these little that's that hotel right there. So that hotel would have these windows that look all the way down this Guimaraes Street that we're kind of parallel to. And there's St. Anthony's up there. So let's sneak across. Let's give you some context of everything. Rua da Tefero. So yeah, that's Tefero Street all the way up. Tefero Street, a lot of cars are going up that way because that's kind of the best way. Like if you're on this street, going up Tefero brings you up to this other area. The pronunciation is like Tosida. Not pronouncing that properly, but it's a whole neighborhood that's kind of way down in that direction. So it's kind of the access road to move down that way. Okay, so what you're looking at now is the gas station. Some people say they don't hardly ever see gas stations in my videos. It's because very few are in their neighborhoods. They're usually on those major roads. There are little side streets here too. This one is Pedro Nolasco. So there's actually some other streets named after Pedro Nolasco as well. We'll just keep on moving on. Pont 16 is in the background behind this big parking garage. And I believe our street's going to continue not up to San Malo, so we're going to take it up to San Malo, and then that's where we're going to see the more arcaded buildings. And then when you see those, I'll kind of explain it more. So, okay. So we'll keep on walking down. Okay, so then we have Hotel Caraval right there. Now you kind of have our street right there. And there's our street name right there as well. So we'll keep on walking down. And now you can see Pont 16 as well. Hello. Okay. So everybody is waiting for the bus at that spot. There's Pont 16 right there. Then we're going to take a look down another side street. Ismo Anish. Try to navigate this little space. Lots of people to navigate in this area. Okay, so that's Pont 16. So people are running across. That makes a kind of good video though. Okay, so that is Hotel Softy Hotel. That goes to that one goes to Pagoda Plaza. Pagoda Plaza is where a nice, beautiful Taoist pagoda temple is at, and that's also where October the 5th Street is at, which has a night market, which is probably running tonight. But I don't think I'm going to film it. I don't think. Could, but okay. I won't film it. So anyways, here's another pier, 1948. So I think this got maybe, I don't know if 1948. It's hard to say if that's definitely 1948 when it was built, but it's hard to say if this area was reclaimed how much earlier. Okay. This hotel right there is called East Asia Hotel, that green one. And then that green hotel has a lot of history to it. So I think it was built 1930s. And that one is used to be the most expensive hotel and quite in demand. And then later they built the Central Hotel, which I think was 100-year anniversary, so maybe 1926. So maybe this, anyways, they're around that same time. So this was the most expensive, and then the Hotel Central, which you don't see, but it's behind it, not too far away. So those would have been the two big places that people wanted to stay at. There's some other hotels, another one around the corner that we might see. There's a pawn shop right here. Then this street right here is called San Malo. So you can kind of see, so we're going to walk all the way down San Malo. We're not going to walk all the way down it, but we'll give you a little bit of context of it anyways. That's kind of beautiful. This one's, there's a famous guy from mainland China that that bought that building and put some advertisement there that has a lot of history to it. I won't tell you more about it because I don't 100% tell you the names, but a lot of Chinese people will know that for sure. I thought this building was beautiful. It's kind of flickering a little bit in the lighting right now. But yeah, this is now a casino, and then that's the East Asia Hotel one right over there. Let's go down this way. I'm gonna just go into the market slightly and then we're gonna end the video. So yeah, so basically you got to see kind of that waterfront building, and then this is San Malo. So this, just to give you some reference, this is kind of a main beautiful structure with all these buildings like this. And then this would have been where they could bring more things in when people brought things to the port. Then they could bring them directly up this San Malo Street. And then we're going to end by briefly walking a little bit into Cinco de October. So this is night market. So I guess we'll just record a little bit into here. The street that it's on is a lot longer street. So we'll just tie it into the other one. Looks like they're still building some of the stuff up. I think they might be anticipating that it might rain. It's a little bit dangerous to go into that, but it's not good to go into that when they're doing that. There are like 5 or 6 people, but that could collapse inward. Anyways, so this is where we're going to be ending the video, but it's here. It's not too far from where we were at, and we'll just cruise down it, which will end in a half a block. But it would be a nice small addition to include. Okay. Okay. And there's all these little side streets everywhere too. And these side streets go all the way up to San Malo. Another hotel. We'll just end it right there.